Hello, hello, hello! Gaano ka ba katibay sa buhay mo? Kagaya ka ba ng isang bato na matibay? The truth is, we are not like a rock na so solid and more strength. Pero ang sabi ng Diyos, let your hope is in the Lord forever. For the Lord is an unchanging rock. Bakit tayo umaasa lagi sa Diyos? Isa lang ang kasagutan nito because He is unchanging rock. It means rock is so stable and more strength. Sa panahon nila, ang mga bato ay ginagamit sa paggawa ng bahay at castle. Kasi alam nila matibay at tumatagal ito. Kung ang buhay mo ay nakasandal sa hindi matibay at walang lakas, tiyak ako hindi ka mananalo sa buhay. That's why we put our hope to the Lord because He is unchanging rock. Surely you will conquer life because He will give you strength. And all I can say is, life is hard, but God is good. Swish!